Hi everyone and welcome to another Maths Revision with Jov. In today's video we're looking at the question, the straight line L has equation 2x minus 3y plus 24 equals 0 and meets the coordinate axis at the points A and B. And it wants us to find the distance of the midpoint of AB from the origin and give our answer in the form k times root 13. So it wants us to consider the equation of this line and it wants us to find the midpoint of the 2 points where they cross the axis, where this line crosses the axes, and then it wants us to find the distance from that midpoint to the origin. And that's pretty easy to do. All we have to do is first find where these axes crossings are. We have to then find the midpoint, and then we have to find the distance between that midpoint and the origin. So first let's go and find where they cross the axes. So that's easy to do. All you do is you sub 0 into this equation. So 0 times 2 is 0, and then minus 3y plus 24 equals 0. So 24 equals 3y. So y equals 8. That's fine. So we've got, it crosses at 0, 8. Now we do the same thing, but we've put 0 into y. So we get 2x plus 24 equals 0, and you should be able to see that x is equal to minus 12. So we also get minus 12 and 0. Great. So we need to find the midpoint of these two, and the midpoint is easy to calculate. You just take the average of the x coordinates and the average of the y coordinates. So I'll call it m, and that's equal to 0 minus 12 over 2, and 8 plus 0 over 2, and that's just minus 6 and 4. Great. Now, it wants us to find the distance from this M to the origin. So, distance between this minus 6, 4, and 0, 0. And that's easy to do, we just use Pythagoras. So the distance is actually, I'll call it d, little d for distance. It's the square root of minus 6 squared plus 4 squared, and that's equal to the square root of 36 plus 16, which is root 52, which is equal to the square root of 4 times 13, which is just 2 root 13. And that is our final answer, and I hope that helps.